What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to talk about Aurora Cannabis. So this stock is up 68% today over the previous trading session. So I made my previous video where I said, could the stock go to $10? And it's absolutely crushed that estimate. So it's actually hit some resistance at around $12 or so, but there's definitely some nice support at around the $10 level. So guys, when a stock breaks through resistance, that becomes support. So basically, I didn't expect the stock to hit that price target so soon. So now I'm actually in the green with my position. If you had the reverse split kind of adjusted, I was at an average share price of around $10. So what should we expect in the future? Well, obviously, Aurora Cannabis has always been one of the most popular stocks traded on the Robinhood platform, and it's one of the most popular stocks that's traded with, I think, the millennial audience in general. So I think we have a lot of more progress to go with this company. One of the many good things, like you guys say, if you check out my previous video on Aurora Cannabis, how I talked about how good the earnings were in the quarter and how the company actually benefited from people stockpiling marijuana and cannabis products and things like that. I think that patience will be rewarded with this stock. So, I just wanted to make a quick update video to let you guys know that the stock was up big. So, congratulations for you guys out there that bought call options. You made a ton of money over the last trading session. So, let's talk about where cannabis stock can head well into the future. So as you can see here, the stock is basically up on a parabolic movement. So we have basically the stock hit resistance at around $12. So that's a key trading level that we're looking at right now. And if this stock can pass through $12, I don't see any reason why it couldn't hit $20 as it approaches the next earnings report. So the question is, how are earnings going to be for Aurora Cannabis in the next quarterly report? And I think a lot of that will depend on how the consumer is responding to things opening up back softly. As we know, cannabis is a consumable product, so it's something that it's not like a car or something that people or an iPhone, something that people buy once and they hold on to it for a long time. The people that use these products are going to be using them continuously. So that's one of the good things about dealing with Aurora Cannabis. I think it's a lot easier to predict their sales than it is for companies like Tesla and Apple and some things like that where consumers might be pulling back on that discretionary spending. So I think cannabis is one of the products that people will not pull back on during a crisis. I think as the earnings have shown, people are more likely to engage in these activities, and these are definitely some isolationist activities that people engage in, not just for the medicinal purposes, but of course for recreational use. So guys, like I said, I think things are going great for the stock. I'm really glad that I held on and I was patient. So for you guys out there that have been following my channel for a while, you know I've been reiterating this about the cannabis industry as a whole. Just be patient with these stocks. It's going to take time. These stocks are still in their infancy, so it's really exciting to be patient. So for some of you guys that are thinking you missed the boat and it's time to get on, there's plenty of time to get on to Aurora Cannabis and cannabis stocks in general. I think there's a lot more growth headed into the future, guys. So guys, excellent news as well. And I'm going to keep this update video kind of short because I haven't really seen any other news. It just seems like there's been a lot more buying activity on this company. So guys, I'll definitely be publishing more videos on Aurora Cannabis in the future. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. And be sure to smash that red subscribe button for more future videos on Aurora Cannabis and other cannabis stocks. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.